While every member of your Toyota dealership's parts and service team is dedicated to the timely and efficient service and repair of your vehicle, it is the Toyota University-trained technician that spends more hands-on time with your vehicle than anyone else on the team. Your service technician is highly trained and certified through our Toyota University. They are the specialist who is capable of performing any service or repair your Toyota vehicle needs to run smoothly and keep you and your family safe. Working with your service advisor, your service technician learns the details of your concerns and your vehicle's specific needs. After careful inspection, they will update your service advisor if additional repair or service options are recommended, so that you can be informed if additional approvals are required. Upon your approval, the service technician and their team will perform the work assigned using the appropriate tools for the job, some of which may be specifically designed for your Toyota. The service technician is at all times respectful of your vehicle with the use of fender, seat, and steering wheel covers. They also ensure safe disposal of any fluids or chemicals drained from your vehicle, consistent with all applicable regulations and Toyota's strict environmental protocols. Toyota University-trained technicians are the only ones to receive Toyota-specific training dedicated to helping ensure your Toyota is properly cared for. Maintaining and updating that knowledge through consistent training and performing professional repairs and service of your vehicle are the key roles of your Toyota University-trained service technician. Details make the difference. Thanks for taking an inside look at your Toyota.